Linux install. Linux install. That's what we're talking about in this video. And I want you to know that there are lots of ways to install Linux. There are a lot of ways. In fact, if you want to install it as a virtual machine only, there are 3 different ways to install it. So talk less of you trying to install it as the main operating system on a physical machine. I would assume that you want to install Linux as a VM, maybe on a Windows machine or a Mac OS machine. So, and then just under that as well, I'm going to be showing you how to install it in the easiest way, which is by using Vagrant. If you don't know Vagrant, Vagrant is a virtual machine automation tool. It's used to automate the creation of virtual machines. So we are going to be talking about that, and then let's do that. First, let's just do some Google search and look for what is Vagrant. So if you look from, I think this little snippet comes from I think Wikipedia also. But anyway, this is telling us that Vagrant is an open source software product for building and maintaining portable virtual software development environment for VirtualBox. It tries to simplify the software configuration management of virtualization. This is an important term. So it's basically used to manage the creation of VMs. So, and that's what we'll be doing. And the first thing you have to do is to install the application. It's very easy. You install the application, and then the next thing you are going to do is to install something called VirtualBox. You can get from virtualbox.org. VirtualBox is a powerful virtualization product for enterprise as well as home use. Not only is VirtualBox an extremely feature-rich, high-performance product for enterprise customers, it is also the only professional solution that is freely available as open source software under the terms of GNU. So this is a very useful guide. It's very useful. A lot of people use this. So, and it's open source, free to use. VirtualBox, Vagrant as well is free to use. Alright. So these two are important, and then you need to enable call it VT in BIOS. So this is the BIOS settings that will enable virtualization on your physical machine. This is what allows you to be able to run different VMs, Linux VMs, install Linux and the rest. So once you have these 3, and next thing you just need to do is to have we call it Git bash or any terminal tool. So Git bash is used to just an advanced version of a command prompt basically. So, and then once you have those 4, what you just need is let's see the commands to set up to install Linux VM. It's as simple, guys. Linux VM install. So once you have those 4 things in place, you have this download this and run. You have this Oracle VM. Make sure you download the latest VirtualBox, guys, and then enable VT in your BIOS settings. Once you have those 3, just go ahead and download Git bash. And after the installation of everything, now what you have to do is to run this command. We have git init, Vagrant init. Sorry, Vagrant init simply means initialize the creation of a Vagrant file in the directory where you run this. So this will initialize the creation, and Vagrant up will bring up the VM depending on the box image you specify here. This is a Linux box image, guys. So you can either use this, or you can just go we have a directory or a repository that has a lot of Linux or operating system box image. So in this case, you have Ubuntu Linux. So you can just click on anyone, then you can just copy this. This is the box image here, and you can replace it with what you have below here. can place it. So Vagrant in it, that's important. Then the box image part, then Vagrant up, we're going to download this box image and install it. Then you have your VM. It is as simple as that. Just 2 commands, you are going to get your VM up and running, and the VMs will be placed in your VirtualBox that you installed. That's the relationship between Vagrant and VirtualBox.